Hey everyone. Okay, so quick question. Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, vile? No? Just me then. So, introducing two new Rhode Blushes. The magical cream blush that will turn your cheeks from meh to magnificent, faster than your crush can leave you on read. I've absolutely no idea what I just said. Look at this. One swipe and suddenly I'm glowing. It's like a tiny, tiny holiday for your face. Now, Tan Line is a pinky brown blush, perfect to fake a mini vacation. Then there's Sun Soaked, that delightful shade of red orange where you've been out in the sun all day long and now you're basically, burnt to a crisp. All blend like an absolute dream, feel amazing and will make you look rich. Side effects may include the following: feeling fabulous, spontaneous compliments, and excessive mirror checking. Warning, may cause your ex to regret their life choices. Doubt it. So, why be bland when you can blush brilliantly? Rhode Blushes, because your face deserves a standing ovation.